Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Mario Kart app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Mario Kart app. Then you click on search, then here add Mario Kart app is going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you go to your Play Store here, click on it, then you search here for Mario Kart. Your app is going to show for you like this. You will find it if you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.